Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Part 1. A man who goes by the name of Police was well known for being a ladies' man in his area. A truck driver by profession, he travels the island making deliveries at all hours of the night and day. One night while driving in a deep country area, he stops to get a drink and rest at a nearby bar. After having one Heineken too many, he notices a beautiful young woman dancing by the bar. Naturally, he approaches her, making sure to gather his thoughts. He asked her for a dance and she said yes. He asked her how her night was going and she replied good, as if she was interested in him. He took a good look at her voluptuous body and kissable lips and decided that he had to spend the night with her. He asked her what it would take to get her to leave with him. She told him that she wanted nothing. She just wants to spend the night with him because he was so handsome and she enjoys his company. As soon as he heard that, he asked the bartender for the bill, making sure his new lady was finished with her drink. He walked with her to his truck. She got in, and he started to drive. She told him that she knew of a nice cheap hotel that she always passes but never entered.
See Part 2.